This document is being converted for online use only. If you were to prepare this document for print and web use, then leaving the URL would be completely fine. However, setting alternative text for the link is still required. Screen readers read through every character of a URL, which is confusing and not compliant with web accessible standards. Instead, we link the applicable text, which helps screen reader functionality and adds to the readability for sighted people. Let's create a couple of links. Have your web address ready by copying the URL from your document or a web browser. Select link text with your cursor and right-click the selection. Go to Hyperlink, paste the URL in the address field, and open the screen tip box. This will contain the alternative text, or alt text for the link, another helpful tool and accessibility requirement. Best practice is to explain what the link does when you click it. Screen readers know that it's a link, so it would be redundant to indicate link to or click to. Within Spokane Public Schools, all hyperlinks are programmed to open in the same window. Other websites may allow opening in a new window, which is why we clarify. Here, we simply say, opens CDC website in the same window. Let's watch another example. Once again, we record the URL from a browser or your document. Select the link text, right-click for hyperlink properties, paste the URL in the address field, enter the alt text in the screen tip field, click OK, and you're done. The final thing to note on this tutorial is the correct method for formatting lists. We need to ensure we are using the list functions in Word rather than relying on dashes or indenting. Screen readers will notify the user when a list is used, helping the readability of the document. Any list type will work, numbered or bulleted.
Web accessibility starts with the content creation. Thank you for your support in making the web accessible to all.
You should now be able to assign custom heading styles and properly set up web accessible hyperlinks in Word 2016. Thanks for watching, good luck, and let me know if you have any questions. You can email me at ivans@spokaneschools.org.